Have you ever wondered about the financial muscle behind those online transactions that make our digital lives so seamless? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Paysafe, a global leader in payment solutions. We'll uncover the intricate details of its net worth and explore the factors driving its financial success. So, let's get started. What is Paysafe? Brief overview. Paysafe is a multinational company that provides a comprehensive range of payment solutions for businesses and consumers worldwide. From online gambling to e-commerce, Paysafe services enable secure and convenient transactions. Key services: e-wallets, Skrill, Neteller. Prepaid cards, Paysafe Card. Payment processing. Acquiring. Risk management. Factors affecting net worth. Revenue. Analyze Paysafe's revenue streams, including transaction fees, merchant services, and other income sources. Discuss how growth in e-commerce, online gaming, and other industries has impacted Paysafe's revenue. Profitability. Examine Paysafe's profit margins and profitability ratios. Discuss factors that contribute to Paysafe's profitability, such as operational efficiency, cost management, and pricing strategies. Assets and liabilities. Explore Paysafe's balance sheet, focusing on its assets, cash, investments, property, and liabilities, debt, obligations. Discuss how the company's asset-to-liability ratio affects its financial health and net worth. Market capitalization. Explain how Paysafe's stock price and the number of shares outstanding determine its market capitalization. Discuss factors that influence Paysafe's stock price, such as market sentiment, company performance, and industry trends. Paysafe's net worth, a breakdown. Historical data. Present a historical overview of Paysafe's net worth, including key milestones and fluctuations. Analyze trends and patterns in the company's financial performance over time. Current valuation. Provide the most recent estimate of Paysafe's net worth based on available financial data. Discuss factors that may have influenced the company's valuation in recent years. Comparison to competitors. Compare Paysafe's net worth to other major players in the payment solutions industry. Discuss how Paysafe's financial performance stacks up against its competitors. Future outlook. Growth opportunities. Explore potential growth areas for Paysafe, such as emerging markets, new technologies, or expanding product offerings. Discuss how these opportunities could impact the company's future financial performance. Challenges and risks. Identify potential challenges and risks that could affect Paysafe's net worth, such as regulatory changes, competition, or economic downturns. Discuss how the company is addressing these challenges and mitigating risks. Recap key points. Summarize the main findings of the video, including Paysafe's key services, factors affecting its net worth, and future outlook. Final thoughts. Offer your final thoughts on Paysafe's financial position and its prospects for the future. Subscribe and like. Encourage viewers to subscribe to the channel for more financial content and to like the video. Share and comment. Ask viewers to share the video with their friends and leave comments with their thoughts or questions. Thank you. Thank the viewers for watching and express your appreciation for their interest. Until next time, let viewers know that you'll be covering another topic in the next video. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.